Are you feeling sad after 40? What if I tell you this could be the most powerful and happiest chapter of your life? I'm Milton Blackett with another help and inspiring video for people over 40 on their day-to-day journey. You don't want to miss a minute of this, so stay with me. If you're over 40 and going through a season of sadness, disappointment, loneliness, regrets, or emotional exhaustion, this message is for you. If you're finding value in this video, give it a thumbs up. It really do make a huge difference. Life after 40 can feel different. The kids may be grown up or gone. Your body may not feel the same. Relationship may have changed. Dreams may have shifted. You may even feel invincible in a world that seems to celebrate youth. And sadness can creep in quietly. But here's something powerful. Sadness after 40 is not a weakness. It is often a sign of growth, reflection, and transition. By 40, you have lived enough to understand pain. You have loved, you have lost, you have sacrificed, you have worked hard, you have carried responsibilities that many people never see. And sometimes it gets heavy. But this stage of life is not the end of joy. It can actually be the beginning of your most peaceful, confident, and grounded happiness. Today I'm going to share 8 powerful practical ways to stay happy in time of sadness for people over 40. These are not quick fix. These are mindset shift and daily practice that help you rebuild joy from inside out. If you're ready to feel stronger emotionally, if you're ready to reclaim your happiness, if you're ready to grow instead of give up, let's begin. Happy tip number 1. Accept that sadness is normal after 40. The first step to staying happy in time of sadness is this. Stop fighting the feeling. Many people over 40 feel ashamed of being sad. They think, I should be grateful. I've lived long enough to know better. Why am I still struggling? But sadness is a part of being human, not a part of being young. After 40, sadness can come from aging parent, changing careers, health concern, divorce or relationship shifts, financial pressure, emptiness syndrome. Happiness does not mean you never feel sad. Happiness means you allow yourself to feel without judging yourself. When you accept sadness, it loses its power. When you resist it, it grows stronger. Let yourself feel, then gently guide yourself forward. Happy tip number 2. Redefine what happiness means after 40. Happiness after 40 is a building block on finding joy later in life. In your 20s and 30s, happiness may have meant achievement, money, attention, validation, being busy. After 40, happiness changes. It may now mean peace instead of pressure, stability instead of chaos, health instead of hustle, real relationship instead of surface ones. If you are chasing old definition of happiness, you may feel like you're failing. But what if your new happiness is quiet? What if it's slower? What if it's deeper? Redefine joy on your terms. That alone can shift your emotional world. Happy tip number 3. Protect your mental space. Protect your peace and emotional boundaries. After 40, your energy becomes valuable. You no longer have time for constant drama, negative friendships, toxic relationships, comparing yourself on social media. One powerful way of staying happy during sad time is to guard your mind. Limit your negative news intake, social media scrolling, and people who drain your spirit. Increase uplifting content, calm environment, honest conversation, time alone when needed. Peace is not selfish, it is necessary. Happy tip number 4. Move your body to move your mood. You don't have to run a marathon, but you do need movement. After 40, your body and emotions are deeply connected. When you move your body, you release stress hormones. Walk 20 to 30 minutes daily. Light strength training, stretching, dancing in your living room, yoga or mobility, exercise. You're not trying to look 25, you're trying to feel alive. Movements fight sadness naturally. Happy tip number 5. Reconnect with purpose. Sadness often grows when we feel directionless. After 40, many people ask, what's next? Is this all there is? Who am I now? Purpose doesn't have to be big. It just has to matter to you. It could be mentoring someone younger, starting a small business, volunteering, writing, learning something new, building a healthier vision of yourself. Purpose gives sadness less room to grow. You're not done. You're evolving. Happy tip number 6. Strengthen your meaningful relationships. After 40, quality matters more than quantity. Instead of 50 acquaintances, focus on 2 to 3 deep connections, real conversation, share laughter, mutual support, call someone, visit someone, be honest about how you feel. Loneliness feeds sadness, connection weakens it. And remember, it's never too late to build a new friendship. Happy tip number 7. Practice daily gratitude. Even when it's hard, gratitude is not denial. It is balance. When sadness hits, your brain focus on lost gratitude. Retrain your focus. Every day, write down 3 things you're thankful for. Small wins, lesson learned. It could be simple. I woke up today. My body carried me. I handled that situation better. Gratitude slowly rebuild emotional strength. Happy tip number 8. Give yourself permission to grow, not just survive. You're not too old. You're not too late. You're not behind. After 40 is often when people discover new career, find real love, build confidence, heal old wounds, create true freedom. Sadness can either harden you or deepen you, so choose growth. Invest in therapy if needed, coaching, books, faith, self-reflection, new skills. If you're over 40 and feeling sad right now, hear this clearly. You're not broken, you are becoming. This chapter of your life is not about proving. It is about peace. It is about strength. It is about wisdom. It is about living intentionally. Happiness after 40 is not loud. It is steady. It is grounded. It is real. Take these 8 steps seriously. Apply them daily. Be patient with yourself. Your best emotional years may still be ahead. And if this message helps you, share it with someone over 40 who need encouragement today. Because healing is power, but healing together is unstoppable. If this video was helpful and inspiring to you, please subscribe and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, you will definitely enjoy the next one right here.